welcome to Gorpa Tales. Gorpa Tales is shooting on a GoPro. Still learning, still learning because I've been busy. So maybe today or tomorrow I will still learn settings on my GoPro. I hope you can hear well. Do let me know in the comment section if the sound quality is better. And I hope I don't have to rework. Also, what I did is, let me open the curtains. Yeah, let me open the curtains. Though it's almost around 5:49, it's almost 6 o'clock. Okay, and usually I would have, like I said in the other video, I would have my my gimbal on my dresser, but this GoPro is very small to connect it to the gimbal, so it comes with its own gimbal. So I have kept it on the dresser, and I'm going to later buy the accessories, the media mod, so I can connect a display mod and all that, all those things. So so let's begin how to cope with the long work hours. I have my laptop here and I have written down some notes for you, and I'm speaking from my experience, and I've also heard from my friends that they have been very busy because of the current situation, and a lot of people are working from home and there are some additional meetings going on. So since I moved to Hyderabad and I got a new project, I have been very busy. I am finding it bit difficult to cope with long work hours. So I just thought I will share with you some of the tips that I follow, to cope with long work hours, or how I handle long work hours. So first thing first, what you could do is make a list. If you have a to-do list, or write down or list down things with priority. Also, list down things that can be dealt with faster, or that takes less amount of time, or it involves, if you are a manager, or any work or task that involves less amount of people, because people interaction is also very time consuming. So that's one of the tips. So try to cut off the task or the items from your list that you can complete or achieve faster. So take baby steps. So that's one. Okay. The other thing is loosen up a bit. Maybe you can take a break. You can call a friend, phone a friend, or you can call maybe somebody from your family, call a family member, or just if you are staying with your family, not like me. If you are staying with your family, you can go ahead and have a small talk with them, or take a tea break or something. So you could do that. What I usually do is I try to listen to a song on YouTube, or maybe watch a travel video or something, but which is a bit rare right now. Nothing new on travel is happening. So that, or some other YouTubers that I follow, or if I'm too stressed, I do watch my videos. So just anything that would help you break your break the pattern. So take small breaks, and you could also dance. Let's dance. Actually, last week my reporting manager changed, so that means let's dance. But I'm not sure if it will capture on this. I mean, I'm not sure about the, let's see, I'm not sure if it will if it might zoom out, but let's try some time, because my boss changed, so I'm very happy. I don't want someone to be my manager who does not do things. So this is Epidemic, I don't want copyright, so I pay for this. This is Epidemic sound music. So yeah, loosen up a bit. I'm very happy because my boss changed actually. So yeah, and sometimes we have back-to-back meetings or back-to-back tasks that needs to be dealt. So have a quick snack, maybe a handful of nuts, or if you can prepare a breakfast for yourself, or a smoothie, or a juice, that would help too. So do go ahead and have a small snack or something, because you don't want your sugar to drop, and you don't want to work with low energy. And I get very hangry, if I'm hungry, I get hangry. I don't get hungry. I just don't get hungry. I get hangry. So I need to eat. So I've been trying my level best to cook, to stick to home cooked food. I still have to do meal prep, so which I plan to do this weekend. So I've shared a meal prep video. Depending on where you are, you could, uh, make ginger garlic paste, grate some coconut, create, mix your own dosa batter, net dough. You could cut vegetables. I'm against it. I would like to cut vegetables when I'm cooking. Small things that you can do to, ensure that during your weekday or during your work week you can prepare a meal faster. So that's one, and it does help. You have few things ready and you can go ahead and prepare a nice meal for yourself in 30 minutes, because we don't want to add more stress and more work onto your already busy work week. So that does help. Don't stay hungry. I am going to get at it this week. I'm going to meal prep. Actually, I was making ginger garlic paste. Then I got tired. I started missing you guys, so I thought, okay, let me just get ready. I want something very pretty, because we are not going anywhere. I just want to wear regular clothes that we would usually wear if we are going out, something pretty, and not just pajamas all day long. So yeah, that. And then meal prep we discussed, and at least have one. You could do meal prep in weekend, and at least have one meal ready for your busiest day. I mean, you can look at your timetable, you can look at your schedule. If you think that a day of a week, let's say Wednesday, is going to be busiest day of all, I'd rather have one meal ready for that day rather than ordering from outside. That's what I do as well. I try to, it's also, even if it's not a busiest day of the week, you can use up with some rest. You don't have to cook. Your day should not be your week, or the day in the week should not be same like rest of the days, right? So you could take a mini break and cook a meal for yourself on Sunday for one of the day in the week. You can see your meeting schedule or whatever. So that does help to save on some energy and relax during your work week. I do that. That works. Also, have your pantry well stocked. Anyways, you do, because of this pandemic situation. Most of us already have our pantry stocked. We have the food grains or lentils and pulses and all those things we've stocked up, because we do not know if there is another lockdown. So last Saturday as well, I got some of the dried pulses, because I don't want to go out and buy vegetables, and I do not have that much luxury of time as well to go out and buy fresh vegetables. So I want to minimize my outings. Even on a weekend, I want to rest up. I want to connect with you guys, so I want to rest up, and I don't want to take my chances, go out every day and get some small things. So you stock up on your pantry, mostly the dried pulses, dals and things like that. So let's say if you shop on Sunday, just an example, in a considering that we are not in pandemic, let's say if you're shopping on Sunday, you could use the fresh vegetables on Saturday, on Monday, on Tuesday and Wednesday, and rest of the days maybe you can if you have a meal ready, you can eat a non-vegetarian meal or a curry or something, or you can soak some pulses, moong dal or black eyed peas and things like that, and use for the remaining days of the week, so that you don't have to go out and again spend some time getting those vegetables. Even if it's 10 minutes, right? Everything is available here where I live in Hyderabad. I don't want to spend that much time going out and buy vegetables. It's a bit stressful when you're in middle of work and there are people calling, there are meetings scheduled, there is just a lot of work, so you don't want to do that. Every minute you want to save, and you can just rest up, right? You can just rest up. If there are, like I said, take mini breaks, you can take mini breaks in between. You don't want to worry about going and getting vegetables or something from outside. So have a well stocked pantry. And the last thing I would say is, lately I have not been sleeping well because I've been sleeping late. Sometimes I do have to work till 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. in the morning. So I am getting up late, but I want to change that pattern. So try not to browse or try not to be on YouTube or watch late night movies after your work. Try to get a good night rest of 8 to 9 hours. I try to do that. I try to ensure my sleep is I'm able to complete my sleep, because if I don't get a good night's sleep, I get very cranky. I just need to get hold of the timelines. So yeah, that would be it for guys today. So let me know how you cope with long work hours. And it was busy week, but like I said, I'm happy. My boss has changed. I have a good boss now, so I'm very very happy. What else happened last week? Yeah, just that's it. And be safe, take care. If you like the video, oh, the battery just died. Yeah, if you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Let's dance some more together. मंडळी, शेवटी मालवणी माझो जो गोप्रो इलो, घोरपडचो गोप्रो इलो. कसा राईम करता ना, घोरपडचं गोप्रो, घोरपडचं गोप्रो. माका वापरू केना नाही, हळूहळू मी शिकतले. माका तेवढं टाईम नाही. म्हणजे मी तसं 6 वर्षापासून ट्रॅव्हल करते ना, पण माका असं वाटलं नाही कधी की चांगला DSLR PSLR कॅमेरा घेऊ होय. माका आता वाटलं की गोप्रो तशी मी पराक्रमी आहे ना, म्हणून पराक्रमी कॅमेरा होय की नाही म्हणून मी गोप्रो घेतले. आणि गोप्रो 8 काय सणशनीची साडी चालू असा ना माझी, म्हणून मी गोप्रो 8 घेतले. ठीक आहे मग भेटूया पुन्हा. बाय.